All right. In the fucking well down there. God damn. Fuck. You never put anything back. You've been taking nuts off the lawnmower? Yeah. Oh, the one over there? Yeah. The fucking lawnmower? Been taking nuts off of that. Didn't fucking work, huh? What do we got over here? The fucking... Might be a nut in there. Oh, there's a square nut. I don't know, fucking... Don't know if that's gonna help you. Help any of us. The fucking bike nut? I don't know. Hondas and bikes? Sounds like it'll work to me. Yeah, I see those.
This stuff's been in here for like probably 10 years plus. And
God, fucking lights right up. Any nuts in here? You got some batteries. Smoking Joe's Racing. Whoa. Oh, these are sick. These Camel. Sorry, check this out. Fucking Camel. Smoking Joe's. Oh, it's fucking great. I love that. Alright, so right now we're on a journey, or I'm on a journey to source a nut for Ty to weld to this pin that's holding the transmission to the subframe, or maybe it's the pin that Ty, what's the pin for? The shift linkage pin, and we have to get that out. And of course, even on the used transmission that we got from the junkyard, it was also locked in, so you actually couldn't do it. So you had to weld a good nut, and actually he probably had the only nut that he had to it, and he welded it. And obviously you can't just really unweld things that well, but we have to find another nut, throw it on this current transmission that's in the car now, and then disconnect the shift linkage so we can make more progress on that. But yeah, it's kind of a process. We have to find a nut randomly sitting around in our lovely engine assembly and building place, but unfortunately there's more papers in here than there are mechanical stuff, so we're gonna have a hard time with this, but we're gonna keep looking. It's hot, you said?
yeah, just. Oh, it's moving it. I heard the pin moving. Hopefully this thing can hold the impact getting there. Oh, there. Get on there, you son of a bitch!
Okay. Alright, this is the moment, Ty. Don't super torque.
Come back and...
Don't smoke me.
So close, Seth. You can do it, buddy.
Do it for me.
My arm.
Aye.
There it is.
You got it?
Oh, Jesus. Almost smoked me.
Flying.
It's probably really hot. I want to touch it.
I got it. Okay.
The bitch is out. You said this one's fucked? How is this one fucked?
Just for how hot I had to get it.
Oh.
Nice
Yeah, look at those welds. Well done. You are something today, aren't you?
I've been farting all day.
I know.
Dude, I woke up and just destroyed Elizabeth.
Yeah.
Oh my god, she said, "Are you kidding me?" I said,
And you're like, you owe me.
"That's a gift from God."
Yeah. This is what you get for lactose week.
Yeah.
Found the nut. You have to give me credit today.
Yeah.
You would have blazed right over that and been like, I give up. And then you're a quitter from the
I could hear the
beginning.
difference in it when I was welding. I was like, perfectly,
like-
and I'm like,
you're like,
it's
yes.
welding.
Yes. Just make sure you don't fucking burn your hands.
It's already burned.
Go home and lube up.
I can't get my fingerprints now.
You're burning something.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
Yeah?
That's what fucking heat does. Just comes right out.
The shit we gotta do to... This is what I mean by people not being real mechanics and out of state. If you don't work with rust and all that shit, you don't know nothing about working on cars until you fucking come to the Midwest here. You'll find trouble. Or the fucking north. Holy shit. That had to be hot.
I have to remember these.
I think we will. Yeah, these are really corroded. And this thing has how many miles? Like 170?
Yeah, 180.
180.
We're gonna need that broom. Oh, there it is. We good?
Yeah, I don't see nothing. Well, I see smoking, but I don't see no fire.
Hopefully I didn't melt the radiator. It is right under the radiator.
Yeah, I think you're good. I think it's just burning off oil and stuff from off the subframe. I don't see anything that. Yeah. Jesus Christ.
Just every one.
Big guns.
I think we burned a nut for this. I guess we try that little one.
It'll hold. It'll hold the entire 700, almost 800 pounds.
This is our life is depending on it.
The little nut.
Yeah.
Here, show that again. That's gonna hold up the entire car. I like that. We just innovate here at the Clemlin Forge.
Yeah, we'll be right back. Just walking.
Innovators.
Steph, clear what's under the car.
It's all good.
The fuck is this shit?
Why is that even there? That should have been moved like.
What's this? These look like tools. Oh wait, I gotta still a bolt under there.
Yeah, so get to it.
Yeah, but we'll raise it.
Oh god, this is it.
And then we're gonna have 2 jacks on each side.
For the super lift.
Super Lift 360.
Super lift 360. We're locked in. We're ready. He's all fucked, dude. Here we go.
Yeah, make sure it don't break. No.
Oh yeah, we're good.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Just leave it like that.
God, that fucking line.
Innovators!
Yeah. No, we're fucking dead.
Suffering goes up.
Yeah, just fucking collapses.
This whole thing goes.
fucking falls in. Damn it!
Thought we had it this time.
You fucking A. Oh shit.
Oh god, stuff. The giant. Leave it on.
No, the other way. I turn it.
What are you doing?
There.
Leave it how it is.
You were gonna get it.
You're not touching it anymore.
Fuck you. I'm trying to be here and support you through your hard times and all this shit, You just fucking disrespect me every time you get a chance.
Okay, this is where it should be. Get lower a little. Now, what the?
Now, what's your deal tonight, man?
Oh, you.
What do you mean, me?
You ready?
It's a long ass bowl, boy. Start lowering this a little bit. You can raise it. You have to lower it. Mine's lowering.
Mine just fucking. Your side is.
It's going.
Mine's not moving at all.
Right, you gotta raise it up. Raise your side up.
Okay.
Mine's going back. Stuck on something.
Yeah.
I wonder if there's a clamp over here. I can't really see, but I don't think there. Got that bolt out. Might just be in there so fucking tight.
Crusted up, do you think?